Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Milky Chunks. Mi casa es su casa. Grab a seat, pop a squat. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be playing a short horror game called Meatley's Storage World. Let's get into it. Meatley's Storage World, a generic mascot horror game. I have the description of the game. It's not much, but it's... Oh, the horror! Another terrifying first-person mascot horror game where you do stuff and not get caught. Over several minutes of gameplay, lore, discover the secrets, I guess. So... I don't know. Guess are they trying? Are they not trying? Are they not trying on purpose? Are they good? Who knows?
Welcome to Happy Storage.
I need to find my storage unit. Okay. Damn. Oh god, what the hell? Use the remote with the left mouse. Okay. Exit. I'll just leave. Never mind. Toggle flashlight with the right mouse button. Okay. Okay, just find my storage unit. Okay. That's not it. It's not as creepy as I thought it would be. So far, at least. How do I know which one's my storage unit? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The environment is creepy. The ambience is creepy. It's dark. The ambient noise, music, sound. Not sure I have any storage unit that's available or open at this time of night. Something secret is happening in this secret place. It was once a happy place, but now there are secrets everywhere. Gosh, there are so many secrets, especially that one thing that is so secret. I hope nobody is reading this. They would know about the secret. Okay, I guess it's... Oh! No, what the hell was that? Wait, okay, let me test if I can run. I don't know. I mean, I walk pretty fast anyway, so... Nope. Nope. I'm saying nope, but like I still don't even know what storage unit it is. Oh, and I have to watch my battery for the flashlight. Readings in dim light is bad for your eyes. Oh, what the hell? Is that Mr. What is it, Mr. Meatley? Hello, Mr. Meatley. Is that a note? I kind of want to read this. That's not a note. It's missing donut? Missing everything bagel? Okay. Nothing in here. Oh, this one here, okay. Ooh, it gets really dark. Ooh, I just lost a battery. A puff. Nope, still nothing. Oh, what is this? Another note. It's very important to write down your most personal thoughts and pin them to the wall for everyone to see. And make sure they are written, like that you are saying something else secretly so it seems deep. Okay. Nope. What is that? Oh. Don't worry, this is ketchup. Okay, cool. Clean up your ketchup spills. I feel like something's gonna jump out at me. Oh god, okay, no. Mr. Meatley. Okay, I think I went in a circle. Oh, right there. Nope. Nope, still nothing. Okay, what is this? Something is coming to get me. I can sense it nearby. This is so scary. Oh no, it's got me. Hope I'm killing me. My arm fell off. How am I still writing this? PS, don't forget to buy bread later for work. After work. Okay. Ooh, okay, I'm guessing this is it. I lost another battery. Locked. Looks like I need a code. Where the hell do I get a code? Okay, oh, okay. Oh! 4. Okay. At least it writes it down for me. Okay, so I have to go through every other... Ooh, okay. Every storage unit I opened. Oh! Oh! Oh god, oh god, oh god. I gotta juke him. Okay, I think I juked him. Okay, so don't go where that noise is coming from. Noted. Oh! Ooh, there's a number. One more number. Oh. I'm gonna stay by the light. That way I don't need to use my flashlight. Actually, you know what? Oh! Never mind. I was just gonna go that way. Oh crap, I got one battery left. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Oh wait, did I use 5? Oh Jesus! Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is it here? Here it is. All that for a freaking bagel? An everything bagel? Or a... What is it? A donut? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's the exit? I know it's somewhere here. That wasn't the exit though. Here it is. What the hell? Oh god, where is he? Where is he? Oh, my light doesn't turn on. Oh no! My battery died. Oh god. Okay. What? Okay, oh, that's the one I opened. Okay. Did I go in there? Alright, let's go to the exit. Oh, Jesus! Am I falling? Am I free fall? Oh! Oh! I was expecting a jump scare. Okay. This was made in less than a day as a joke. So is... Okay, cue to quit. Okay, so... Should I order pre-order part 2? That was interesting. I want to see what happens if I get caught though. Let's see what happens. It was creepy. It was the atmosphere was cool. I'm gonna say that. It was cool. It was creepy. It was a little tense. It wasn't really scary. Let's see. I just want to see what happens if I get caught. That's what the hell? Okay. Oh god. And I'm guessing that's Mr. Meat. Oh god, Mr. Meatley or whatever. And also I'm guessing that it randomizes, right? Like it shouldn't be in the same spot. It should, like, this is where I got it from last. Oh wait, what? I guess it's not random. Either way, we know what happens. Let's get caught. Oh Jesus! They kind of got me. I'm not gonna lie.
Happy storage.
That's kind of a creep. Like, if it were my first time playing and I bumped into him without knowing, that would have scared me way more than it did right now. But it was kind of creepy. I like that jump scare. But I guess now we know, so we don't have to. Wait, let me just try or see this one more time. Okay, so I guess it's not randomly generated every time. It would be better if they randomly generated it every time, like the box in a different one and the numbers. But I mean, it's alright. Made in a day, it's alright. Not bad. So I guess, yeah, it's alright. Short little game. Wouldn't play it again. I don't think I'd pre-order this next one because it doesn't seem like there'd be anything to it or anything crazy. Yeah, hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.